Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I thought it might be interesting for us to discuss what is triggering this huge mobilization towards renewable energy, climate finance, nature-based solutions, carbon sequestration projects, and other big words. We've previously discussed open access power, but why are global governments taking such strides in that direction? We all know climate change as the common threat to global communities, not just in terms of rising temperature, but also in terms of extreme weather events in the form of flash floods, severe droughts, erratic monsoon, dwindling patterns of cyclones and blizzards alike, and so on. In order to take quantifiable leaps towards a sustainable future, global communities have joined hands in the form of NDCs. NDCs stands for Nationally Determined Contribution Targets. They are essentially self-imposed goals that countries set for themselves under the Paris Agreement. Now, the question is, what is Paris Agreement? I know I keep throwing more and more jargon at you, but let's try and declutter this. Paris Agreement is perhaps one of the most pertinent and substantial global effort towards climate change. It is a legally binding international treaty adopted by 196 parties, that means 196 countries, at the United Nations Climate Change Conference in Paris in 2015. Its overarching goal is to limit temperature change to 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. In addition, it also aims to increase the ability to adapt to climate change in order to foster climate resilience. The Paris Agreement is a landmark in the multilateral climate change dialogue because, for the first time, a dialogue has actually translated into action, even if it is too little too late. This essentially signifies that much of the effort visible today in the global fora are in line with Paris Agreement. Coming back to NDC targets, here are India's NDC targets for us to reflect upon. For today, I'd like to leave you with that, and next time we'll discuss the gravity of these commitments made by India and the potential impact they will have if successfully accomplished by India. Thanks for staying with us this long. My name is Himani and this video is powered by GH2 Solar. See you soon again. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.